day in the neighborhood.
Another day in Miami, bros.
Last day-ish.
Strong. On our way to conquer and demolish.
City sounds, bro. City sounds, bro.
Conquer and demolish 3 pizzas with RZ Fitness TV.
Bro.
16s.
16's cold, bro. Zimarin?
16s.
Not natty, serious 16s.
So we're on our way to Lilos Pizzeria.
That's right.
To eat a medium, a large, and an extra large pizza.
And a 2-liter soda.
And a 2-liter soda. Split between these 2 grown aesthetic legends.
A liter of cola each.
Of YouTube. Shall we beat it? Can we beat it? Yes, we will.
I think we're gonna do
Stay
it.
tuned. But first, look at that tricep, brah.
Why that try?
Fwah. Okay, bro. Sickening.
Are we doing this?
That cam action domain.
Came all day.
Sprite for games.
These look good, man. These are
a fire.
They're fire.
Fire.
I know.
Oh man.
I already do from the last couple pizzas I ate the other day.
Can we get like the slice on plate? Oh yeah, let's get a slice on plate and then like just look at it for a minute.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think we're good.
608? Yep.
Alright, man. Whenever you're ready. Ready? Oh.
Remember, no bathroom breaks, no dumping, right? Everything so far? That's it? Got it. What? Why did you stop? Way I do it, Rob. Move.
Good job, baby. We got 19, bro. That was 10 seconds ago, 15 maybe. Woo!
Done with solo?
Yeah, we're done. We're fully done. We've been done for 10 seconds. So,
Alright guys, 6:28. I'm gonna wait until 6:43, right?
alright. I'm good, bro. Did you eat another slice? Did you slice me, bro? You think I'm even full, bro? Straight 8-pack. You can literally fucking
My first off before I went
me too. Oh, Martin. Oh, 6:29, guys. I think we started at 6:08, so I think we're about 19 minutes something. Devin's struggling on the soda. I'm not sure what. I think he'll make it, bro.
done, bro.
I think he'll make it, but we gotta chill for 15 minutes and make sure it's official. So we gotta chill right here for 15. We'll check back at 16:44. Sickening math, man. I'm so cold. Peace. Hang in there, bro. We're gonna make it.
If you had lost, you're welcome to come back and try.
Oh, it's official.
Congrats.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
We'll clean up 6:43. Officially devastated that challenge. Whoa, Myron. Conquered, bro. Now we wait.
The storm, bro.
The storm after the storm, before the storm, storming.
I'm not sure if
Storming.
not sure if a road or a river, bro.
Not sure if road or flood river.
There's like cars going through a river over there, man.
Starting to get hungry again, guys. I think I might have to hit that McDonald's for a McFlurry.
Whoa!
You see that? Round 2, getting struck by lightning. Challenge accepted.
Hey, man. Whoa! Dude, you get that?
I don't know. That face, yo.
Dude, if I hit it like a zip code, the lightning like hit my finger. Wow, just watch.
Right into the ground, flames arise.
These.
Fucking Z's, man.
Look, alright, I'm gonna try vacuum, right?
Not going anywhere, bro.
Fuck. Dude, this is really pissing me.
Still got the shredded obliques.
Oh, dude, the vacuum just
No, it's a vein. Look at the vein, bro. Look at that vein.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Not sure if games or... I want to film me in case I get struck by lightning.
Everybody's scared of the lightning, man.
Not that much.
Sickening.
Alright, bro. I'm not gonna stand you all night. I know my shoes are gonna get soaked, but good thing I'm wearing underwear.
Oh, almost got it, dude. Dude, I'm not sure we should try that one, mate. Holy shit, it set off a car alarm. Holy shit, dude. It's really fascinating.
Epic lightning. I'm afraid to run over there with my keys in my hand.
That is true, bro.
Bro, let's go in here.
That arcade in peace, bro. Strong our t-shirt.
We should have played where we get that free gaming card, yo.
Right.
Don't mess with your phone when it's that lightning.
Huh?
Man.
Scary. It's not raining that hard, but man, that lightning.
But the lightning. that'll grab that in a heartbeat.
Oh, I'm trying to capture that.
Oh, shit. No, don't
be
go
safe.
by me. Yeah, you can
Stay safe, OP. Have a good one.
People on YouTube,
Police, be safe.
people on YouTube call me OP. Like it makes sense. Good, nice video, OP. I'm like, what?
Good night, sweet prince. Oh man.
Oh, police.
Oh shit. Oh dude, that car just fucking hit that so hard.
It's arcade maybe.
Dude, well man, we start moving in there.
I think we should just open and film.
Go in there, start moving. Go in there and just start moving, bro. It's like, no, don't. You're the track of lighting. I'm like, that's what I want.
I think we're at the gym. Is this the gym?
Oh fuck, dude.
We're at the wrong place.
Fuck.
Shit, I don't know, man. I can't make gains in there.
Make nerd gains. So troll.
Is this a tanning salon? No, it's neon lights.
Oh shit. I think we should be good in about a minute, bro. 1 minute, man.
I mean, unless I get hit by lightning, we're good. So that's really big.
True, you are the driver. Fuck.
Alright, let's wait for something else to hit and then I'll just bolt.
Yeah, dude, that's a good idea.
Then I'll bolt.
Lighting never hits the same place twice, man. Is that a myth?
I don't know, man.
Is that like a myth?
Is it like a myth, like calories in doesn't equal calories out?
Yeah, I'm really feeling ice cream though, bro. Like,
Are you?
Serious.
You know, I could get some flurries on the way home. I feel like ice cream washes an eating challenge down 9 times out of 10.
9 slash out of 10, bro.
If it's an ice cream challenge, then you're probably...
Yeah, fuck.
Alright, film me in case I get struck by lightning.
Alright, yo. Stay safe, OP.
I feel like I'm gonna get struck by lightning now. Oh man, that range. It seems like it's high power right now.
That's like at least 150 feet, man.
Gains.
Them cardio games. Sickening.
Oh man. I'm gonna like shuffle my feet and just create this energy storm. Just get like, zapped in there.
Dude, I'll get on camera though,
Maybe
dude.
halfway through I'm gonna disappear.
You gotta get right to that stop sign. It's gonna bolt that stop sign, bro. That one right there.
Just gonna be my Nike shoes on the ground and I'm gonna be gone.
Oh. There you go, bro. Rare pocket.
It's like musical lightning bolts.
Musical lightning bolts. The commentary in this video. Fuck.
It's truly a bad idea. Fuck.
Stay safe, OP. Drop the cam! Get it! Shit! Cam lost. Cam down. Cam down, bro. Fuck, he made it. He made it, dude. We're good. Oh, ice cream. Sounds really good, though. Serious. Oh, stomach. Oh. Still see the abs, though, a little bit. Fuck. Oh. I'm iron.